Hey, good morning. Well, we arrived last night at the Hyatt Zilara Cana. Lovely, lovely resort. This is round 2. We were actually here 2 weeks after opening back in November, and we're here now for 2 weeks and going to do lots of follow-up videos, and it's really interesting to see how much things have changed. So today I've got a room video for you. This is an Oceanfront Junior Suite King room, and the view, I have to say, is absolutely stunning. So let's check it out. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Here we are at the Hyatt Zilara Cana. This is an Junior Suite Oceanfront King room. I have done other videos on this property, and the rooms are pretty much all the same layout, but we'll go through this once again. So we've got the Do Not Disturb button, as well as a master light here. And you've got lots of storage space. Nice safe in the cupboard there. These closets open both front and back, which is kind of handy. Separate toilet area with a door, and now these close as well for the bathroom area, so you can have extra privacy while you're getting ready. Dual vanity, nice scale. The towels, I will say, are very soft, very large, and very comfortable. And they actually do a really good job of drying you off. So we've got a dual shower head there. And again, this closet door does open up. Sorry, not the closet, but the dividers do open up. So if you want to have it wide open, you can. And then we've got the main living area. And it's a kind of cool touch, right? That they do this. Welcome, Christine Turner. That's kind of cool. And then you can also see the daily activities on there as well. And here we have the main room. So beside the bed, you've got a couple of chargers, which is great if you tend to use your phone for photos and videos. And wireless charging station there. And you've got a couple extra, these are all pull-out cupboard areas, so you've got more place for storage. That is also a pull-out sofa bed, and again, you've got more plug-ins on that side. We've got the mini bar, your icebox, coffee center, and then the mini bar is restocked on a daily basis, and of course, room service is 24/7. Let's see if they have the snacks added. No, not yet. And then this is, like I said, this is Oceanfront. Now we have arrived, it's just gone sunset, but you can see, you can sort of see the palm trees there. We're right above the swim up rooms. And that is gonna be an amazing view for sunrise in the morning. Can't wait. So here we are in the morning, lovely view. Lounger there, you can sit and enjoy sunrise and this fabulous view of the beach.